Hey plant enthusiasts! In today's video, I dive deep into 6 beautiful hanging indoor plants for decorating your home. Not only do these plants purify the air, but they also add a touch of nature's charm to any space. If you've been on the hunt for the perfect indoor hanging plant, or just want some home decor inspiration, this video is for you. 1. Chenille plant. Fuzzy red flowers, trailing down from deep green foliage, makes the chenille plant a perfect addition to your indoor plants family. 2. Orchids. Orchids bloom to their best when kept in hanging baskets because the air circulation is proper. The pretty flowers add a zing to your home. 3. Pothose. Easy to grow, low maintenance, and adaptable to any condition, pothose looks beautiful when hanged given that it is a climber plant. 4. English ivy. The English ivy is one of the best indoor plants because it thrives on low light. The glossy foliage also adds to the beauty of your home. 5. Boston fern. The lush, feathery foliage of Boston fern is what makes it look even more beautiful when you hang it from the walls. 6. String of pearls. The plump, bund leaves of these plants make them distinctive and beautiful. They look even more amazing when you hang them in a pot. 7. Spider plant. This popular indoor hanging plant adds a forest-like feel to your home and keeps the air fresh.